Hi everybody, this is your video for your research paper rough draft. So I want to just kind of review the document and what you're doing here, and then what's at the very bottom, or what's on the next document, sorry, not the very bottom. Okay, so there's two documents you've got here. One of them is your paper rough draft. And the other one is all of my examples. So I have my examples here in the introduction paragraph. Then I've got my example of a body paragraph. You'll do 3 of those. And then my example of a conclusion paragraph. Okay, so for the paper rough draft, your goal is to start off with a hook. That's just say something interesting about your topic. It could be a quote from someone who lived during that moment. It could be it could be just a statistic or a fact about your moment. Just something interesting about your topic to get your reader interested in what you have to say. And then you'll tell me what is the historical event and why you chose it, as it says right here. Just follow all these instructions. Then you'll tell me where it happened, when it happened, who was involved, how it happened, and what actually happened. Then you'll tell me what happened before your 3 key moments. So you got some key moments. What happens before those key moments? And then you'll list your key moments here. When you're done with that introduction part, I'd like you to go see Mrs. Dompierre or Mr. Toms to continue. All right, and then you've got 3 body paragraphs. So remember, they're all based on your key moments. So first, you'll tell me what your key moment is. This all needs to be in complete sentences now because this is your rough draft. You'll tell me what your first key moment is here, only number 1, because it says key moment 1. Then you'll summarize it. Tell me where it happened, when it happened, what were the causes and effects of it. So what caused it to happen, and what were the effects of it happening? So what did it result in? Who was involved, and then what came after your moment? You'll describe the key moment, provide an eyewitness account. So an eyewitness account means tell me the story of someone who maybe was there. And then the analysis. This part is particularly important. You're telling me, why is this key moment so important? How does it relate to the moments before your key moment and after your moment? And who was affected by it, and how were they affected? All right, once you're done, you move on to key moment number 2, and you rinse and repeat. Do the same thing. Topic sentence, summarize, describe, analyze. And then do the same thing for your 3rd key moment. And then, when you're done with all your key moment body paragraphs, again, review with Mrs. Dompierre or Mr. Toms. Okay, and then finally your conclusion, your concluding paragraph. You'll tell me, why was your historical event so important? The whole thing, why is it so important to you and to the world? Why are we still talking about and writing about this historical event today? So what impact has it had? Why are you talking about it today? Why is anyone talking about it? And then what other events have happened as a result of this moment? So did it lead to some big change? Did it lead to a law or laws? Did it lead to a battle or a war? Did it lead to some people meeting? What did it lead to? What did it result in? And this might require some research. You might actually have to go find that out, and that's okay. That's the goal of a research paper, is you go to find the information out and find the answer. And then you'll tell me what groups of people, or just people in general, did this historical event affect long term? How did this moment in history affect the economy, which means the money that people make, arts like movies, TV shows, music, art pieces, jobs and technological advancements, politics, etc. of the area and the people who are involved. And then finally, the very last thing you'll do for your rough draft is wrap up your essay with one final statement. The statement could be your opinion on the historical event. It could be just your personal belief, or it could just be a strong statement about your topic. And then, ta-da, you're all done. And of course, before you turn this in, please review it with Mr. Toms or Mrs. Dompierre so we can approve. Okay, good luck. Take care.